Here's a 2012 Buick Regal. Make an impression in this expectation-shattering Regal. The race-inspired accents hint at the thrilling ride ahead. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and doors and push-button start proximity key. From New Car Test Drive, we found the Regal very quiet, with a very smooth ride, a welcome respite on miserable commutes, and a good partner for cross-country drives. It may be the quietest car in its class. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.